Today we will learn about ABCD with different colors. Let's learn about colors. This is dark green color. This is light green. This is red color. This is black color. This is brown color. This is sky blue color. This is yellow color. This is dark pink color. This is orange color. This is light pink color. This is purple color. Let's start the video, kids. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Number one. Number two. Number three. Number four. Number five. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. Number six. Number seven. Number eight. Number nine. Number 10.
Wow!
A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F, G, H, I, J. 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.